This was the Golden Triangle. Used to be a very good area for birds and bird hunting. We're in our 9th year of a drought now. Our bird numbers are down significantly. For pheasants and Hungarian partridge, our sharp-tail numbers, which are a native bird, are up about proportionally to the pheasants being down. But until we get more moisture in the area to support the bird populations, they're not going to survive.
Get him, Sadie. Get him.
No, don't tell her to do that.
Okay, no, my bad.
I already have enough trouble with her trying to eat it. She got in there one time and within 5 seconds taken out 6 birds. Big brown eyes, yes. My baby. My baby. Yes, you are. Yes. But, yeah, what do they say? How do you feel? It's just a preference. I mean, this is where we started out. I had Gordon setters before, and moved over here to the Brits, and we just get along well. Her father is in both American Field and Bird Dog Hall of Fame, as well as being national field champion and multi-champion.
And who's that? Is that Tequila Joker?
That's Tequilas Joker, yeah. Yes, that's who it is.
So Gordon, why do you raise dogs? What is it about raising dogs that you enjoy?
Well, I like the dogs better than people. It's been a challenge as far as the program we're running on. Actually, when we're done, we'll have mapped the entire DNA, or a lot of the DNA, on the better known lines of Brittany dogs. Most important reason, they're just fun to be around. I mean, they're pretty upfront and they're pretty honest, yeah. And they make good companions.